famous. This gives our own ground, naval and the E-18G Growler was developed from the original Super Hornet aircraft, so it shares many systems and components. Indeed, they look very similar at first, but the electronic attack systems of the Growler are a unique component, which is why the Growler training is conducted.
Transport/bomber aircraft, and the Boomerang, as Peter said. We'll just watch the takeoff, and we'll invite Peter to tell us a little bit more about the aircraft.
Aircraft that were designed as transports. Lockheed 10 was very successful. It's a much bigger airplane. This was designed as a light feeder airliner, but they actually gained a better place as an executive transport.
It certainly looks like a slipper.
Beautifully, highly polished. This is in the era of the 1930s.
Right, so it was important for the generals and the staff to have a good-looking aircraft. Let's watch the plan for all of this.
Let's listen to the whisper of the engines. Might be a whisper down here, but certainly not if you're...
Flies all of the Tomorrow machines, including the Hudson, the Boomerang, and the Spitfire.
He's a well-qualified man. Let's watch those pass of the L12. So as Doug departs in that, the next two aircraft, let's talk about the bigger...
Commission went to the United States looking for aircraft for them to build, because they were worried that all their manufacturing in the UK would be under Luftwaffe bombing capability. They put a mock-up together, showed where the turret would be, how many bombs it could carry, what the armament was going to be, and in 3 days they ordered it off the drawing board.
And 3 days, amazing. This aircraft is also painted in quite famous colours, isn't it?
Correct.
Fantastic looking aircraft, and Milne Bay, of course, famous for really the first defeat of the Japanese forces in a very long time.
Oh, 400 years it was the first time. The museum has been able to fit the aircraft with its original hull page.
Quite a lot of those aircraft, I guess, were manufactured. What sort of numbers are we talking about?
And the dummy bombs.
Fantastic. So we'll watch that in the past, and then we might talk about the little fella hanging off the back.
Companies at that time realised we didn't have an aviation industry. They got a licence to build the Wirraway and a variant. And this is that variant, Australia's first fighter.
And a pretty amazing story about the...
as I said, no fighter aircraft in Australia.
Keith Bluey Truscott has been killed in WA during a training accident.
Yep, the Australian Defence Force showcased